sunscreen is very important. You wouldn't want to layer all these products and then end up wasting it in the sun. Hey my loves, welcome to my channel. This is dorisdiribey. In case you're coming here for the first time, you're welcome. If you are an OG on this channel, hi loves, welcome back. If you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel now. Join this awesome family. Let's be friends. Yes, click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post new videos. Okay, today guys, I'll be sharing with you my affordable skincare products for beginners in 2023. Yes, I know some persons want to start off their skincare journey in this year 2023. Yes, you need to take care of your skin, so I decided to come up with this video so as to help you on the basic items or basic products you need to start off your skincare journey in 2023. You do not need everything. You do not need everything. I'm serious, you do not need everything. You just need something, that the basics, you know, something that you can always repurchase, and you need products that are very much affordable so that when they are you're out of them, you can just replace them. That's just what you need, so as to get the journey, just you know what I mean. Without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing you want to have in your skincare routine or skincare products is an exfoliating scrub. Okay, you need to exfoliate your skin so as to make the product work well. I don't care the kind of product you're using. If you do not exfoliate your skin, you are denying your product of the potentials of, you're just preventing it from doing the work in your skin. It will take longer time to produce results, but when you exfoliate your skin, you take off the dead skin cells that would hinder the product from sinking into your pores and getting into your skin and doing the work for you. So that is why exfoliating is the number one on my list. You need to have an exfoliating scrub. Okay, you can choose to use brushes, you choose to use exfoliating gloves. I'll put the pictures of everything I'll be saying here on the screen. Okay, you need exfoliating gloves, which is not expensive. Some of them are sold for 350 naira, some 400, depending on the type you're going for. Okay, but they are just very much affordable and they are very accessible. You can get them anywhere at any time. Okay, you need an exfoliating scrub. If you do not want to go for exfoliating gloves, you can also go for the exfoliating scrubs, and I'll be recommending the Cool Spa Salt turmeric salt scrub. As you can see it. Okay, this scrub is very much affordable. It's sold for 1,400 naira or 1,500, depending on where you're getting it from. It's very affordable and accessible wherever you are in the basically in the world. You can get the Cool Spa salt scrub, but I do not advise or I do not recommend you use it on your face because it contains salt. It's a salt scrub, and I do not like salt scrub on the face because it can cause irritation. And the day I even tried using a salt scrub on my face, I did not like the way it felt on my skin. It wasn't a good feel at all, so I stopped using salt scrub and I opted for a facial scrub. This one is from YC Whitening Facial Scrub with cherry extract. Okay, I guess you guys can see it from here. Okay, so I got this one for my face. I do not use this on my face, I just use it on my body, and this on my face. Your face is very delicate, so you don't want to use product that are harsh or something that will irritate your skin. Okay, that's why I went for this YC Whitening facial scrub. You can also opt for the Ashanti body scrub or the Care Brew orange body scrub. These scrubs are very much affordable. For the Care Brew, I think it's been sold for 1,400 to 1,500, depending on where you're getting it from. So these products are just very much affordable. Okay, so I want you to get products that are very much affordable, that you can replace them whenever you're out of them. So that's about it. Next products you will need in your skincare journey is a facial soap. You need a facial soap, and I'll be recommending the Dove beauty bar soap. This soap is very moisturizing, and I recommend it because it moisturizes your skin as well as cleansing. It cleanses your skin, cleanses your face, and that's why I love that product. The next soap I'm recommending to you is the Dudu Osu black soap. It is a very good soap that cleanses your skin. Yes, it's a very good cleanser. It cleanses your skin, but it also makes your skin feel dry, and that's why I will recommend a very good moisturizer, facial moisturizer to you. Which one of them is the Dr. Rachel Vitamin C face cream. Is a very good facial cream that would help brighten your skin and as well moisturize your skin. Next facial cream I'll also recommend is the goji berry face cream that contains hyaluronic acid, which would help bring, hold moisture in your skin. And you need moisture, guys. You really need moisture so as to achieve a very radiant and youthful look. Okay, so this product has hyaluronic acid that would help, retain moisture on your skin. The next facial cream I'll also recommend is the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Day cream. This cream is superb. It brings in moisture to your skin, like it moisturizes your skin and makes it plump all day. Okay, so it's a very good product. I would love to recommend. Next product you will need in your skincare journey is the facial serum. You will need a facial serum so as to get rid of fine lines, hyperpigmentation, discoloration, and also make your skin look plump and moisturized. Okay, very youthful. And the number one serum I would love to recommend to you is the Roshun Vitamin C serum, which is very affordable. It is a very good serum that does the work. It contains vitamin C, which helps to brighten your skin, hyaluronic acid, which helps to retain moisture in your skin. It will help deal with fine lines, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentations as you use it on the long run. Okay, so it's a very good product to start off. It's a very good serum to start off with. The second one I'll be recommending to you is the Dr. Rachel Vitamin C serum, which is also a very good serum that would help deal with hyperpigmentation, discoloration, fine lines, and it will help plump your skin. Another facial serum I love to recommend to you is the Egyptian Magic Whitening Serum. This serum is very nice. It says whitening serum or whitening milk serum, but guys, it does not whiten your skin. It will just brighten your skin. I've used this one and I'm on this one and I'm almost out of them. Like, it's just remaining very tiny inside. I'll have to get another one. It's a very good serum to start off with. It is not very expensive, but it's a good product. It's very affordable, and you can get it anywhere basically in the world. You can get it anywhere, and it's a very good serum. It will not whiten you. Don't mind the whitening on the bottle. It says whitening milk, but it doesn't whiten your skin. It will just brighten your skin, give you this youthful look that you always want to achieve. And it helps deal with discoloration, helps deal with spots. Yes, it helped me to it helps to fade out the dark spots I have on my face. This serum is a holy grail for me. Yes, it's a holy grail. The next product you want to incorporate in your skincare routine is a body cream. Obviously you need a body cream, okay, and you need very good moisturizing body lotion. I made a video on different types of body lotion that would help moisturize your skin and also glow your skin, so do check some of them out to know the particular one you could settle for. But I also have a list of products I also want to mention. Okay, one of the products or one of the body creams I would love to recommend is the Vaseline Healthy Even Tone body lotion. That body lotion is a go-to. It's very nice. It can moisturize your skin, and it contains niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, which will help deal with dark spots, fade out dark spots, and it's a very good, very affordable. It sells for 2,000 naira to 2,500 naira, depending on where you're getting it from, but it's very very affordable and it does the job done. It moisturizes your skin for quite a long time. Okay, so it's a very good product to settle for. The next one I would like to recommend is the Nivea Natural Fairness. It's a very good product to settle for. It moisturizes your skin, it helps to even out your skin and also deal with discoloration. It's just a very good body lotion you can settle for, and it is very affordable. It sells for also 2,000 naira to 2,500 naira. It's not so expensive and it is very much accessible. It is very available anywhere in the world. You can get Nivea Natural Fairness. Okay, so the next one you want to incorporate in your skincare routine is body oils. Body oils would also help moisturize your skin, but then I want to tell you that it's best to use body oils at night, other than in the daytime. Most people tend to get darker using body oils in the daytime as a result of the sun, so I prefer using body oils at night, and it will help moisturize your skin and also give you this glow you would always want to see on your skin. Some of the body oils I would like to recommend to you are the Avila almond oil. I make use of that one, and I'm out of it. I would have shown you what it, but I'll put up the picture here so you see what the product looks like. It's a very good oil. It will help moisturize your skin and it will help glow your skin, so it's a very good oil to settle for. Another body oil I would love to recommend to you is the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant body oil. This oil is wow. It would help glow your skin, moisturize your skin. It's a very good oil to settle for as a beginner, as someone who's starting skincare. It's something that I love that body oil a lot. I love it a whole lot and it does the work. Okay. The last thing you do not want to skip in your skincare routine is a sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important. You wouldn't want to layer all these products and then end up wasting it in the sun. Okay, you need to seal it up with a sunscreen to prevent the damages that comes from the sun, and basically prevent the sun from destroying the strength of all these products you've applied on your skin. The sunscreen I'll be recommending to you that is very affordable is the Gavia Sunblock. This sunscreen do not leave you a white cast, though you have to blend it to a point for it to disappear, but then it doesn't leave a white cast. It is very affordable and you can actually get it from anywhere, any store in the world. But thank you very much for sticking to this point. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was very helpful. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. Oh, please subscribe to my channel. Please just do that now. Okay, subscribe to my channel now, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.